The dipped beam, also known as the low beam headlight, is crucial for safe nighttime driving. It illuminates the road ahead without blinding oncoming traffic. This video focuses on how to enable and disable the dipped beams on the Skoda Fabia III from 2014 to 2021. To manually enable the dipped beams on the Skoda Fabia III, first, turn the ignition key to the accessories on position, which is position 2. Locate the light switch stalk, usually on the left side of the steering column. Push the stalk upwards to turn on the headlights, including dipped beam, or downwards to disable them. If only the side lights are on, pulling the stalk towards you will activate the dipped beams without engaging the high beams. Some higher-spec Fabia III models, such as the SE trim, have an automatic headlight mode. Set the light switch to auto. The system's light sensor will detect low light conditions and automatically activate the dipped beams. To disable, simply switch the control back to manual mode. To disable the dipped beams in manual mode, push the light switch stalk downwards to the off position. In automatic mode, switching from auto to manual also disables the automatic dipped beam function, allowing you to manually control the headlights. Important safety notes for using dipped beams on the Skoda Fabia III. Always use dipped beams in low visibility conditions such as fog, rain, or dusk. The Fabia III does not have adaptive lighting, so manual adjustment is necessary. Regular checks of your headlights, including bulb condition, alignment, and cleanliness, are vital for road safety. Common issues with the dipped beams include bulb burnout, fuse failure, or sensor malfunctions in automatic mode. Halogen bulbs typically last between 500 and 1,000 hours before needing replacement. Check the fuse box, usually located under the bonnet, for any blown fuses that could cause headlight failure. Use an OBD2 scanner to diagnose issues by checking for error codes such as B1400, which indicates a headlight malfunction. Many Skoda Fabia III owners are upgrading to aftermarket LED dipped beams for enhanced performance. These modern LEDs provide superior visibility and efficiency compared to the original halogen bulbs. The key benefits of LED upgrades include better visibility with brighter, whiter light that illuminates the road more effectively at night. LEDs also offer significant energy efficiency, using up to 50% less power than traditional bulbs, which helps preserve battery life and reduces strain on the electrical system. Additionally, LEDs provide much longer service life, lasting up to 25,000 hours, compared to just 2,000 hours for halogen bulbs, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Popular aftermarket kits come from brands like Philips, known for their stylish LED series with cool white light and automotive SMD technology, or Osram's LED riving line designed for easy plug-and-play installation. Installation involves components like the LED bulb, locking ring, heatsink, and driver. Proper installation is crucial to prevent electrical issues such as overheating or system malfunctions. The result is a dramatically improved headlight that shines brightly and efficiently, as seen in this example of an upgraded Fabia III headlight illumination. Let's summarize the key points about dip beams on the Skoda Fabia III and outline final checks to ensure safe operation. Regularly check your dipped beams to ensure they are functioning correctly. This includes verifying that both beams illuminate properly and align correctly on the road. Proper use of dipped beams reduces nighttime accidents by up to 25% in compact cars like the Skoda Fabia III. Always use dipped beams in low visibility conditions to illuminate the road without blinding oncoming traffic. For any issues with your dipped beams, such as failure to illuminate or misalignment, consult a certified mechanic or refer to the official Skoda service manual for diagnostics and repairs. Above all, prioritize safety by maintaining proper lighting systems and adhere to local regulations, such as EU lighting standards that require dipped beams to illuminate at least 30 meters ahead.